Life Adventure News.
And there's big breaking news that's coming in this morning as US President Donald Trump has signed a proclamation to suspend the issuing of H-1B visas, which is popular among Indian IT professionals. Besides the H-1B visas, other foreign work visas have also been temporarily suspended for the rest of the year. Trump said that this step was essential to help millions of Americans who've lost their jobs due to the current economic crisis. The proclamation that comes into effect from tomorrow, that's June 24th, is expected to impact a large number of Indian IT professionals as well as several American and Indian companies who were issued H-1B visas by the US government for the fiscal year 2021 beginning October 1st. Let's take this across to Geeta Mohan for more details. Geeta, good morning. Can you just explain this to us? What happens to those who are currently in the United States on an H-1B visa? Does it impact them, or is this only for people who are now applying for a fresh visa?
Well, as of now, what we are given to understand is that it is going to impact the Indians who are working in the United States of America in a huge way, in a big way, because this is not about future future H-1B visas, but it is going to lead to huge and massive job losses for those who are currently employed under the H-1B category. Now, if the entire category moves from the lottery system, the random lottery system, to merit-based and system which will be looking into salaries as well, that means that there will be an entire assessment, a reassessment of those who are employed in the United States of America, majority of whom are Indians, and all the Indian IT guys who are approved from April 1st lottery would not be able to go to the United States of America. So yes, the future of Indians who are looking to the United States of America for jobs is absolutely, or has absolutely been jeopardized.
Okay.
This ruling what I'm given to understand is will apply from April 1st. So all those who were cleared are not going to come, and the future, again, like I said, is looks rather bleak with the United States of America looking inward.
All right, Geeta, thank you for joining us with those details. A big order that's been signed there by the Trump government, one that affects many Indians who are currently in the United States, and many others who are currently out of the United States, were perhaps traveling when the coronavirus pandemic hit.